Oh my god. Y'all don't mind my hair. I'm trying out this new short hairstyle for the summer. But hey Fufu fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be meal prepping, and basically this is going to be for only a week. Some people do meal prep for 2 weeks, but we're not gonna do that. But yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get to cooking. We're gonna go ahead and grab this spoon. You guys are gonna see me taking a shot, and I'm pretty sure I want to prepare it for every day, but I need to buy some containers, like those little jars that people have, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do that too. What? Alright, let's go.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, so I'm in the kitchen now. I got my straw, I got my apple cider vinegar and my water right here. But first I want to show you guys the difference when I have my ring light on and off. So ready, set, let there be lights. Ooh. You know, the crazy thing is you never thought you'd have to do all of this suffering for losing weight. So when you were gaining weight, it was just like the best time ever. So this is what the zucchini spirals look like. The box does say you get a taste of Italy, so I'm hoping this is similar to pasta. I really am, because you do cook this. All right guys, so here's the plan. We're gonna be making 2 meals today. I'm only gonna be using one of these packages. The box does come with 3, FYI. I actually had my own Tupperware for meal prepping, and they looked like this, but my family lost some, broke some, all that, and so I have to use these little ugly ratchet blue bowls. So I have my stove right now on high heat. I'm gonna wait until it heats up a bit, and I'm gonna just add my ground beef here. I got this ground beef straight from the butchery, so it looks a little weird. I never actually got it from there, but I know next time not to. So far, quick update, I do not like this ground beef. So if you're thinking about getting ground beef from the butchery, don't. So I'm gonna just cut this lime and put it in there. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and I put the zucchini in the microwave for 7 minutes because it is gonna cook like that. It has its own liquid, so that's just gonna happen, okay? I'm still making some shrimp and broccoli and some greens, and if I want I could microwave that zucchini again to eat with the shrimp. These are only $13 at Costco, and it's 31 of 40 of them. That's amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna prep my shrimp now. And I think I'm gonna make like a shrimp and spinach chip type of situation going on, and I'll probably eat it with like lettuce or the zucchini noodles, which I hope they're good. Y'all have no idea, but I'm gonna take them out the microwave right now and we're gonna try it together. You guys should see inside the microwave is full of water. So this is what it looks like out the microwave. So now I'm just gonna put it on a plate and I'm gonna try it to see if I like it. Oh my god. Alright, I have my plate right here. It has a little crown in it because I'm the queen of cooking in this house. Hopefully my mom don't watch this video. So I'm gonna get the zucchini again. Ooh, yo, I don't know. I don't really like how it's looking right now. Can y'all see? This is what it looks like. Okay. Don't knock it till you try it, sweetheart. So it kind of has a weird smell, not gonna lie, but it's not like weird. Ignore the mess, but this is what we're seeing right now. We're just gonna do it, you know? So, and for those that are thinking, why is she using that, what is this, a spatula? What is she using this? I don't know. Why am I using it? Just know that zucchini is very like watery because there's water on the bottom of it. Yeah, since it is almost 2 o'clock now. What time is it? Oh, it's 2:05, which is my birthday, 2:05, February 5th. I'm gonna cover everything back up here, and my shrimp is marinating, so I have some time to go ahead and eat this food, and I'm gonna show you guys me tasting it in front of you. So let's see. The sauce is pretty good, so hopefully the good sauce, you know, makes me be like, oh wow, this is actually really good. Set. Okay, I'm just happy that the zucchini tastes like nothing basically. Oh wow, I like that. Okay, so it basically tastes of sauce, and the zucchini has a slight taste at the end, but it's like a healthy taste. So I like this, y'all.
I am on a diet.
I like it, y'all.
Yeah, she's a mean sister.
Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and eat this, and I'll be back with the rest of the meal prepping. So I'm back, and I have my stove heating up again so we could cook the second meal. Now my brothers were hungry, so I ended up sharing my food with them. So this is literally all I have left to meal prep, but that's no problem. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and chop up some vegetables and make my shrimp with some spinach, butter. Like, it's gonna be fire. So yeah, let's get to chopping. I'm gonna be putting a Kirkland butter from Costco. Yeah, I'm gonna put only half of that butter in. Ooh, steaming. Look. Ooh, it's burning it for sure. Mono! What the heck? Y'all, this honestly looks so freaking good. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and taste the shrimp real quick because I know everything else is good, it's just vegetables. But whoa, oh my god, you could taste the butter. Okay, I think I'm just gonna make some tuna as a snack one day, probably tonight. I am not sure, but I might just eat the shrimp meal today instead. It's gonna be like lettuce wraps with tuna inside. I'm gonna do that too. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. You got something to say?
Oh shit.
Stop scaring me! I thought you were mono.
Oh shit.
Where's the Costco card?
Where you going?
We're going to Costco.
Who's we? Don't forget guys, we are on the road to 50,000 subscribers. We literally just hit 10K the other day. But I have hope, I have faith in us that we could reach 50,000. So go ahead and subscribe.